Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fractions. Firstly, can anyone tell me what's fractions? What's fractions? What fractions? Yes.
Fractions are parts of a whole.
Parts of a whole. Very good.
What is a
No,
fraction?
every time we miss one vital word, that's equal. Fractions are part of whole that everyone of us know. Arman, can you please keep yourself on mute? We know, all of us know, fractions are parts of whole, but the most important term every one of us miss. We know it, but somehow we just skip that, okay? So fractions are not part of whole. They are equal parts of whole. They are equal.
Ma'am, it is division of number.
Sorry, Arman?
Ma'am, it is division of number.
Division of number, a portion of a whole number.
Yes, ma'am.
Not really a division of a number, it's a portion of a complete number or a whole number. It's a portion, okay? Now, let me give you one interesting fact, interesting example. Suppose all of us are at our homes right now, isn't it? Our homes has various areas now, like the dining area, the kitchen area, the balcony, the bedroom, the washroom, isn't it? Is all of them equal in size? Is all of them equal in size? Is your bedroom or your parents' bedroom, whatever it may be, equal to the balcony? No, na? Everyone, can you please keep your videos on? Amrit? Thank you. Hello, Gunjan. Okay, so in that case, we cannot define a portion of our house as fraction, okay? Because they are not equal parts of whole. They are not equal parts of whole, isn't it? Pariniti, can we define it as fraction? Is your kitchen a portion, a fraction of your house?
No, ma'am.
No, why not? Because it's not equally divided. But if we take a pizza slice, Amrit, is that fraction? Amrit, if we take a pizza slice, is that a fraction? Please no writing on the screen. Please no
Yes, ma'am.
writing on the screen. No writing on the screen, please. Okay. So, Amrit, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, is a pizza slice a fraction? One slice
Yes,
of a
ma'am.
pizza is a fraction. Yes. Why? Can you tell us why, Amrit?
Ma'am, because the slice of pizza.
Amrit, can you tell us why?
Ma'am, because the slice of pizza equal.
Very good, because the pizza slices are equal. Okay. Okay, all of you. So moving on.
Yes, ma'am.
See over here. Now, since we know fraction is like what to say, equal portions, isn't it? Equal portions, na? So fraction has two parts. Avya, what are they?
Ma'am.
Do you know what are they are?
No, ma'am.
No. Anyone knows what they are?
Fraction.
Do you know what they are?
Fraction.
Anyone?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Arman? Hi. Hello, Parth. Good evening.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question is, what are the parts of the fraction? Okay, a fraction has two parts, made up of two parts, numerator and denominator. It's made up of two parts, okay? Numerator and denominator, okay? Arman? Did you find anything funny? Raman, did you find anything funny?
No,
Numerator and denominator. Okay. So numerator is the number that you write on top. Denominator is the number that you write below. Numerator is the number that you write on top. Denominator is the number that you write below. Okay. Now, how do you read it? What can you see on my screen? 5 and 6, isn't it? So how do you read this number? 5, the number on top first, then by, by, then the number in the denominator, that's 6. Okay, all of you? Students, you are requested to please keep the cameras on. That would make the class interesting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, so when you read fractions, you read it as numerator by denominator. Now, what's numerator and what's denominator? What's numerator and what's denominator? What's numerator and what's denominator?
Ma'am, numerator is upper part of number and denominator is
No, that's fine.
down.
Numerator is above part and denominator is below part. That's fine. But like what represents numerator? Suppose I take a pizza having 6 slices, okay? Out of which I eat 4. Suppose I take a pizza having 6 slices, out of which I eat 4. So the total number of parts become my denominator. The total number of parts become my denominator. So 6 becomes my denominator. And the number of parts I'm speaking of, that becomes my numerator. That becomes my numerator. Okay. For example, 4. I ate 4 slices, na? So if I ask you what fraction of pizza have I eaten? What fraction I have eaten? It's
Ma'am,
4
4/6.
by 6. The total number of slices I ate divided by the total number of slices the pizza actually had. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So denominator is the total number of parts, whereas numerator is the number of parts I speak of, I refer to. Okay? So Parth, can you tell us if I ate 4 slices out of 6, what is the fraction left? What
Ma'am,
is
2
the
by 6.
fraction of pizza left, Parth? We would go turn-wise, please. Yes, Parth?
Ma'am, 2 by 6.
If I ate 4 out of 6, what fraction of pizza is left, Parth?
And 2 by 6.
Louder, please.
Ma'am, 2 by 6.
2 by 6. Very good. Because if I ate 4 slices out of 6, 2 slices are still left. Okay. Who wants to share that 2 slices with me? Who wants to share that 2 slices with me? Who likes eating pizza? No one likes eating pizza? Not possible. You like eating pizza? Yes or no? You don't want to share? Anyone wants to share the pizza with me? Yes or no? 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 No, don't like eating pizza? Okay, good students then. Don't like eating junk food, isn't it? So 2 out of 6 is the fraction of pizza left. Okay, Avya?
Yes,
Avya, is it okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what you see over here, fractions being demonstrated visually. That means over here, what we see is an apple, okay? One complete apple, okay? When I just make one cut, what happens? It's divided into 2 parts. So 2 slices it becomes. It's divided into 2 slices. Next, when I make another one more cut, what happens? The 2 slices become 4 slices, isn't it? You have seen, na, chopped apples. Apple slices, you have seen, na?
Yes.
Yes. So,
I
this is one apple. This is half of it, 2 slices. This is 1/4 of the apple. Okay. 1/4. This is 1 out of 4 parts, 1/4 of the apple. And if I keep on chopping, the denominator will keep on increasing because the total number of slices keeps on increasing. Okay? Am I clear?
हाँ रहने दो ये दूसरा वाला है, ये इंग्लिश का नहीं है
Okay.
ये.
So, Amrit, what's the fraction of the colored part over here? Amrit, what's the fraction of the colored part over here, Amrit?
I know. Two. Four. Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Say
And 4/6.
4/6. Very good. 4/6. Next, Pariniti, can you try the second one? What's the fraction of colored part?
2/2. Ma'am, 2/2.
Good, Avya, 2/2. Pariniti, what's for the third one, Pariniti?
3. Ma'am, 2/3, ma'am.
2/3. Very good. Parth, what's for this one?
Ma'am, 7/1.
Huh?
Ma'am, 10/7. 1/8.
No, Parth. Okay, hold on, everyone. What's for the next one, Parth?
7/8. 1.
Parth, am I audible? Mithun, can you answer?
Yes.
What's the fraction of the shaded part here?
1/4. Red part.
This one, beta, this one, the one which I have just marked.
7/82. Red card. 2/1 बोला था हमने. Okay.
Abhya, please mute yourself. Mithun, what's for this part? Fraction.
1/7.
How 1/7? Colored. How many parts are colored?
How many parts color?
1,
7 parts color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are colored.
Yeah.
Out of how many?
7.
Out of 7 only. What about this part?
1.
What about this part? What about this part? It's 7/8. Okay, Mithran? 7 colored out of 8 parts. So 7/8 is the answer. Okay, Mithran?
Okay, ma'am.
So can you try the next one again? Similarly, for the last one, what's the fraction of shaded part?
अरे मैम उससे पूछा है. मैम 3/4.
Very good. 3/4. Well tried. Okay, everyone. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, since we know fractions, we would learn about the different types of fractions. Okay, what are the different types of fractions?
Ma'am, proper.
Am I audible to you? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. So the different types
ma'am.
of fractions chart is drawn over here. The fraction tree is drawn over here. We can say the different types of fractions are drawn over here. Proper. Anand, are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So proper fraction, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, and equivalent fractions. I repeat, proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike, unit, equivalent. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are proper fractions? What are proper fractions? Proper fractions are the ones which have numerators less. That means the number on top, numerator is number on top na, is less than the number. So, Amrit, is the number on top smaller or bigger than the denominator? Is the numerator bigger or smaller, Amrit?
Ma'am, denominator is bigger than numerator.
What?
Ma'am, denominator is bigger.
Yeah, so we talk it in terms of numerator, okay? So to avoid confusion, we speak it in terms of numerator. Numerator smaller, it's proper fraction. Numerator bigger, it's improper. For example, 9 by 5. Numerator is bigger now. Correct, everyone? So that's improper. Now mixed. What's mixed fraction? Mixture. Mixed fraction is mixture of a whole number and a fraction. What is mixed fraction, Abhya?
Ma'am, in proper fractions.
What's mixed fraction?
I mean proper fractions and ma'am proper fractions.
No, I'm asking you what's mixed fractions. Mixed fraction. Just now I told you it's a mixture of two things. A whole number. That means a complete number. You know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
That's called a whole number or a complete number. Okay, students? Okay, Abhya?
Okay, ma'am.
So it's a mixture of two things. One, a fraction, and second, a whole number. For example, suppose I write 2, 3 by 5. 2, 3 by 5. 2 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is a fraction. So together it's a mixed fraction. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, all of you? Show me your thumbs if you understood. So anyone having confusion with proper, improper, and mixed, I can only see Pariniti's thumb. Rest of you? Avya, did not understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Mitran, Amrit, Parth, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So I repeat, proper is numerator small. Next, improper is numerator big. Mixed is mixture, combined. Okay? A whole number and a fraction. Good. Okay, all of you, can I proceed? Next comes unit fraction. You know the meaning of the word unit? Unit means one. Unit means one. So unit fraction is one which has numerator as 1. Anything, any fraction which has numerator as 1, that's a unit fraction. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Or anything. Denominator can be anything. Numerator has to be, what is numerator? Numerator has to be, show me.
1.
Very good, Pariniti. Numerator has to be 1. Okay, all of you? That's unit fraction. Next comes like fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions? Like means something which is alike. Alike means something which looks similar. Okay? So, like fractions are the ones which have the same denominator. For example, 2/3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 1 by 3. All denominators 3, na? So they are all pair
Yes, ma'am.
of like fractions. Okay, Mitran?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure?
Okay.
But I don't feel like it's okay. Did you understand what's like fractions? No.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What like fractions then? Can you please tell us again?
Okay. Like fractions, the top number can be 1, 2, or 5, 6. The down number can be 3 only.
No. Suppose if I'm writing 2 by 7 and 3 by 7, are they like fractions or not?
Yeah.
Why? Because they're the same denominator. And it's not top number and bottom number. It's numerator and denominator. Okay, Mitran?
Okay, ma'am.
It's numerator and denominator. So the denominator has to be same for like fractions. When the denominator is all different poles apart, they are unlike fractions. They do not have anything similar. They don't have any similarity. They are poles apart. They don't like each other. So unlike. Okay? They don't like each other. They keep on fighting. And like fractions are very friendly. They stay together. They like each other. They love each other. Okay. So like fractions are friends, close friends, and unlike fractions are not liking at all. They are enemies. Okay. So they are unlike. They don't share anything. You don't share anything with who is not your friend now. You share your stuffs with your friends, isn't it? Yes or
ma'am.
no? Yes. So same as with fractions also. Okay. Fractions are also just like you people. So like fractions share the same denominator, and unlike fractions say will not be staying together. So go away from me. So they do not share the same denominator. They are different. Okay. Okay, all of you.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means something which has the same worth, the same value. For example, let's say I draw a circle and I divide it into two parts. I'm shading one part. So this is half colored and half uncolored, na? Yes or no? Half
Yes,
colored,
ma'am.
half uncolored. Now
Yes, ma'am.
suppose I'm drawing one circle and instead of two, now I'm dividing it into four parts. And I'm shading two. Again, isn't it half shaded and half unshaded?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
both are half shaded now. No matter the first one is having only two parts and the second one having four parts, but still they are both half shaded, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that equivalent fraction, the number of portions do not matter. The ultimate worth, the ultimate value is same. Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Why got it?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I leave because I have to go to a chess tournament now?
You have to go to a chess tournament. Monica ma'am. Monica ma'am, are you here? Okay, Bainati, I think it's okay. You may, if you have a tournament. Okay. Our team would be connecting to you later. Thank you, Parinati.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now that was the fraction and its types. That was the fraction and its types. Now, who wants to solve this? Amrit, can you solve this question? Amrit, can you solve this question? Which is the incorrect match, Amrit? Among these, which of it is an incorrect match?
Ma'am, C1.
C.
Ma'am,
How?
option C.
How? How, Amrit?
Ma'am, because the C1 have different numbers.
The C has different numbers. You have to find out which is incorrect match of shaded fraction. How does the number matters? For example, see, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored. Okay, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's correct. 5 shaded out of 10. Like this, you have to figure out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this also correct. Okay, Amrit? So the third one, is it correct or not? The third one, is it correct or not, Amrit? Avya, can you tell us which is the incorrect match? Avya,
Ma'am,
can you tell us which is the incorrect match among C and D?
ma'am, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ma'am, D.
D. Why? What's the wrong part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded, isn't it?
Yes, no,
But
ma'am.
it says 5. How? Why no? See,
Ma'am,
1. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 part shaded. Over here it shows 5 shaded. Okay, Avya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, so that's the incorrect math. It should have been 6 upon 10. 6 by 10. Okay, all of you? Next
Yes.
question. Mitran, can you do this one? What fraction of the given figure is shaded? What fraction is shaded over here?
Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, your scream is not coming.
What?
Ma'am, your scream is not coming.
Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Parth, I think something is wrong on your end, Parth.
Ma'am, 1/8.
No, half. See, this is a big square divided into 4 small squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, Mitran? Now, every small square is divided into 4 parts. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Out of which 2 shaded, 2 out of 4. Over here also 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. Everywhere 2 out of 4, na? That means half
ma'am.
shaded, half not shaded. So the complete figure, half is shaded, half is not shaded. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, everyone? The last question. Everyone read and do. Let's see who can answer first. Amrit, Mitran, Avya, and Parth. Let's see who can answer first. Quick.
Ma'am, I have an issue. My scream is not coming there also.
Okay, Parth, no worries. You stay. Anyway, this is the last. We would be sharing a quiz. Okay, so over there, screen sharing is not needed. So you stay. What happened? No one is answering. Quick. Avya, Mitran, Amrit. Which is the correct option? Sorry. No one answering? Amrit, Avya. Anyone answering?
Ma'am, Maven.
Are you able to see the screen now, Parth?
1,
Yes,
2, 3,
ma'am.
4,
I
5.
can
1,
see
2,
the
3.
capsicum.
Okay, look here. First one, let's figure out how many green capsicums and how many red capsicums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 green. 6 plus 5, 11. That means the fraction of green capsicum is 6 by 11. And the fraction of red capsicum is 5 by 11. Correct? Out of 11, 6 green and 5 red. So 6 by 11 is green. So the first statement is correct. Okay. Next,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
basket 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. And how many yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 yellow. Again, the same. For yellow, it's 6 by 11. And again, for green, it's 5 by 11. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
So the second one seems to be true again, na? The fraction of yellow is 6 by 11. Correct, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Fraction of yellow capsicum is 6 by 11, na? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Red capsicum plus green capsicum is 10 by 11. That's correct. Red capsicum in basket 1. Red capsicum in basket 1. How many red capsicums in basket 1?
Ma'am,
How
10.
many red
Ma'am,
in
10.
basket? Yes, students. How many red in basket 1? 5, na?
5. It's 10.
Correct?
Ma'am, yes.
How many green in basket 2? 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So the third statement is also correct. So all of these are correct. All of these statements are correct. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.